here we are with another early morning, getting ready to depart the house. Only do these early things when we got car show or something fun to do. So today's gonna be a little bit different one. Our church in town is putting on their first annual, calling it Auto Fest. It's gonna be like a car show, raising money for a local ministry in town. All the proceeds go to it. Kind of a cool thing, you know, doing a good thing for people. And bringing 50 cars, it looks like, maybe a little more. So I figured, of course, 928's got to make an appearance. But this time, the Dune Buggy gets its first opportunity to shine. So a friend of mine's going to drive that in for us. I'm going to have both of them, I think, parked next to each other. So I've already gotten the Porsche warmed up. And then, yeah, I can hit the road. It rained and thunderstormed crazy all night. Thankfully, I think we're going to get lucky today. It's going to be reasonable temperature. I'm sure it's going to get muggy with all this water, but at least it's not going to rain on the show. We were kind of worried about that for a few days. So going to get loaded up here in a few minutes, head over and see what kind of cars everybody brings out today. So see you there. All right, so we've made it out to our car show adventure. I had to step a bit away because we've got some music playing in the background. Don't want to get this thing immediately taken down for copyright. But yeah, tons of cars. I was helping folks get parked in the beginning, and we're, as you can kind of see across the street, it's pretty full. We got people parked in the grass. It's turning out to be a pretty good event. So very successful. I'm going to show you some video of a bunch of the cars that are parked here and some of the fun stuff going on. And yeah, it's gonna be a good morning into early afternoon. All right, viewers, well, the astute viewer will have noticed that I have switched cars. It's because for some reason the brake lights have gone out on this thing, and my friend who is driving it doesn't know how to get to my house. So he's gonna follow me in the 928. And I'm gonna rip the buggy home, which honestly, it's like 85, and that car doesn't have AC. So I got the better deal here. That wind is very nice. Oh, you'll also notice we're seeing a different GoPro angle. I forgot my mounting clip for my roll bar mount, so we're going to the windshield mount for today. And that Porsche looks good back there though, doesn't it? It's very hot. Oh, and I'm also very sunburned. I'm sure you can see that on my head. Being outside this car show all day. Should have brought sunscreen. Gonna regret this. Oh yeah, the Germans are coming. And traffic. The Germans are no longer coming. Yeah. The Germans are coming again. That hair is going crazy. I should have worn a hat. Oh my God. Oh, I'm roasted. I told you all I needed buggy sunscreen. I didn't listen to myself. Well, the wind is making my sunburn feel better, but I don't think it's gonna last. I think that's gonna rear its ugly head shortly. Well, another car show down, survived the day. Most of us did. My face didn't quite survive, and my arm's starting to tingle too, so I'm gonna regret not putting any sunscreen on while we were sitting out in the sun for 4 hours in July, but that's okay. Had a great time, tons of cars. We weren't sure when we were gonna show up. This is the first time we've done this at our church. It was kind of an idea to see how it went. We were hoping for, you know, between 35 and 45 cars. I saw, I think, someone carrying number 70 as a windshield tag. So pretty sure we had about 70 cars out there. You know, awesome first year. We're gonna keep doing this every year, I really hope. I think it was a overall success. Cars did good. Dune Buggy lost brake lights, weirdly. I'm pretty sure we've got this pressure sensing switch issue here. Honestly, they weren't working at all for a while, and now they won't turn off. So it's sticking one way or the other, so I think I just need to get a new one of those. But anyway, appreciate you stopping by, check out the video. Leave me a comment below, let me know which car was your favorite. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so, and hit the notification bell so you know when these videos go live, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.